What the? No! Why me? What kind of bird would do this to my brand new car?
Told him, should have ceramic coated it. What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to Detail Garage. Let's say you just bought a brand new vehicle, you've been enjoying it for the last month, it looks good, it smells good, but now the honeymoon phase is over, and now it's time to start thinking about what you need to take care of this bad boy. We've just washed it, and now we're going to show you a few products that you need to keep your car looking its best. So let's jump right in. So being that this is a brand new vehicle, the owner went and sprung for the added coating, and we're going to show you how to properly maintain that. We've already washed it using HydroSuds, which is a great way to boost any type of ceramic coating, but we can see that there's still a little bit of runs and dust that just accumulate from being outside. Just like down here by the mirror, keeping a bottle of HydroSpeed on hand is a great way to just remove all this stuff. Simply shake up the bottle, and we'll spray it on there. And we're using a clean microfiber towel, which has this very plush pile. We're going to start wiping away any of the dried spots or water spots, and this is going to help boost your coating, enhancing your hydrophobic properties, and overall is keeping your new vehicle looking its best for as long as possible. But you see it's very easy to use, spray on, wipe off. It's boosting any kind of coating and also non-coated vehicles, and this is also a great way to give your vehicle hydrophobic properties if you don't have any kind of coatings. But again, this is going to help add longevity and durability to any type of protectants. And at the same time, it's picking up any kind of light dust, messes, fingerprints, and giving the surface that surface tension that it needs to repel harsh elements as well as water spots. Our next must-have product is HydroShield. Now, this is one of my favorite coatings because this is a great way to give interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic components a beautiful deep OEM shine. But more importantly, it's going to resist harmful elements like UV rays that cause these kind of plastics to deteriorate and fade over time. So we'll start by shaking up the bottle, and we'll be using a microfiber applicator pad to spread a fine coat. Just spray it right into the applicator. And we'll start here on these wheel arch accents and just start working it into the plastic. And already you can see how it darkens and revives the trim. It's adding ceramic properties that help to give the most longevity and protection to any kind of vinyl, rubber, and plastic. And this is again going to help any kind of fading and discoloration, preventing any kind of cracking, and help this look its best for as long as possible. A lot of you guys ask, when is the best time to start adding protectants, especially ceramic? And the best time is actually when the car is brand new. This way you can keep it looking factory fresh for as long as possible. As we mentioned before, HydroShield is also great for protecting exterior rubber pieces just like your tires. Naturally they have a brown finish, this is called blooming, but if you want to enhance a deep OEM finish, just add a little bit to your applicator and start working into the surface. We've already cleaned and dried the tire, which is why it has this brown blooming effect. All right, now we're gonna let this set up, but in the meantime, we're gonna jump onto one more product to get this vehicle looking its best, as well as giving the exterior the most protection. Our last must-have product is HydroView. Now this is not only a glass cleaner, but this is going to enhance and add ceramic protection to your glass. Simply spray directly on the surface, and it's going to help water sheet off of the glass, as well as prevent water spots. And this is a great way to also pick up any kind of residue that you may have had from your car wash, or just from daily driving. So just spray directly onto the glass. You can control overspray by spraying it directly onto your towel, and then just working back and forth, we'll start wiping away any kind of messes, but also working that coating into the glass. And also, again, this is a great way to maintain any kind of coatings you may have on the surface already, giving the most protection, as well as restoring clarity. So guys, it really is that easy to maintain your new vehicle, as well as enhance your used vehicles using a few simple products. So if you guys like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for any future videos, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.